Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, guys, today I'm going to make your life very easy. Today I'm going to talk about 5 YouTube channels which will help you in your English fluency journey or learning English in different ways. These channels have been my favorite, and today I'm going to talk about these channels which will help you in different ways. I'm going to tell you what they can help you with. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel. Press the notification icon so that you get all my videos free of cost on time. Like and share my videos and do write your comments in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started with today's session. The first YouTube channel which I would recommend is English with Lucy. Yes, this has been one of my favorites. She talks about a lot of different things. She talks about grammar. She talks about how shadowing exercise. She talks about how you can become pronunciation also, how you can become fluent as well. So here you will get to know about entire English. Okay, you will get to know grammar, you will get to know pronunciation, you will get to know how to practice English speaking. Basically, she does a lot of shadowing sessions as well, and a lot of other things also she talks about which will help you in reaching your fluency and confidence. Okay, or which will make you a better English speaker. She has a UK accent. I mean, she's a British, but I think her accent is quite clear and you will be able to understand her. But she speaks about a lot of different topics, so I like her videos. You also try once and it will help you a lot. I'm sure it will help you a lot as well. The second one is, this is one of my favorite, English Speaking Success. The name of this person is Keith, who takes the classes. So this is basically for IELTS and other language learning courses also. He comes up with a lot of stuffs which is related to grammar, English speaking, accent, pronunciation, grammar, IELTS, TOEFL, and a lot of language tests also. Okay, so he has a format wherein you will get to learn a lot of different things, and if you want to clear the language test also, this is very helpful. He focuses on IELTS more or any language learning exam, so it will be much easier for you to prepare for it and know about it. Okay, so his English is also very simple. He is also from UK, but his English is also very simple, and the way he explains everything is very nice. So try this and you will get to know what I'm talking about. The next one, the third one, is POC English. Now POC means piece of cake English, but his channel's name is POC English. This guy also has a lot of stuffs on his channel and it's very good. I mean, he talks about a lot of vocabulary on different topics and how you can speak about those topics. So he has made things very easy for everyone to understand and to practice. So there are lots of practice sessions also wherein he speaks about different topics and he tells you how you can, what are the vocabularies related to that topic and how you can speak about it. And a lot of grammar sessions are also there, which he has quite simplified things for everyone. So if you try watching this channel and see how it can help you in your fluency and English speaking journey. The next one is BBC Learning English. Now, this channel has a lot of 6-minute videos as well, wherein they have a conversation. So you can just practice English conversations. So they speak on different topics. 6-minute topics are there. They speak on certain topics. It's basically kind of a podcast. So it has different formats. It has 6 minutes English also. It has a longer version also. So it is kind of a podcast, and different topics are spoken in this. They speak about on different topics. So what you can do is you can listen to these conversations and you can try speaking about on those topics. So either, what I always say, you can take that idea from them and speak on that idea, or you can add your own ideas. Start taxing your brain, start utilizing your own creativity and explore the topic and start speaking on it, right? It's not necessary that if you heard for 6 minutes and you have to speak for 6 minutes only. You can speak for 10 long minutes, 15 long minutes, right? There's no harm in doing that. But, start practicing in this way. You will get to know a lot of different topics, and these are very general, common topics which are there every day. Okay, so this is also, I found it very basic and very simple. The topics are very simple, and it is used, or we do talk about these topics in our conversation and everyday English speaking. So that is why I found it very relevant, and I thought of sharing this with you. So you just go to BBC Learning English, and you see they have 6 minutes also speaking practice, and they have a lot of other conversational videos and other videos also, which you will really find helpful for you. At least you will listen to it and you'll gain a lot of knowledge to speak on different topics. So that is why listening to different topics are very important. Okay, and that is why I thought of sharing this with you, so that there has to be a conversational video also which you can listen to. I always tell you, listen to different topics, very varied topics, and it has to be on different subjects. So probably people might think that where we should go, how we should find that. So this is a platform. BBC Learning English is a platform where you will find different topics, different subjects which is spoken on. And you'll get a lot of idea and knowledge and how to speak on these topics and these subjects. Start listening to this channel, and you'll get to know a lot of things. And the last one I'm going to talk about is English Anyone. I don't know why, but this person explains everything in a lot of detail, and it really helps you to get you to understand the concept very well. I found him very interesting. He has long videos as well, 1 hour, 2 hours video as well, and he has shorter videos as well, wherein he takes different topics and explains it. But the way he explains it is very different, and it's very, you can relate to, you can understand well. So he talks about a lot of grammar part, he talks about a lot of ways in which you can become fluent, and he talks about each level also, how you can, just at each level what you can do to go to the next level. So he makes things very easy and simple for everybody, and I personally find him very relevant. So that is why I thought of taking this up and sharing this with you, so that you also go through this channel and you get to learn a lot of things. So guys, I have spoken about 5 different YouTube channels which will definitely help you in your grammar practice, in your pronunciation practice, in your vocabulary practice, in your English conversation practice on different topics, and how you can become tips, tricks, and a lot of things which will help you in becoming fluent and confident in speaking English, and which will help you to grow from one level to the other level. So they have a mix of everything, and their English is also very simple, very easy to understand. They explain it very well. So what you can do is you can go through all these channels, just listen to them once and pick one. You can either pick one, because I won't say you can just start listening to every single channel, because 5 channels you will be listening to, it will be very difficult for you to focus on then. Pick one, pick 2, whoever you like or whoever you start understanding. Okay, watch their videos, start watching their videos one by one. Take some time out, start watching their videos and see whom you can relate to, whom you can connect to, who helps you in understanding things better, the concepts better. Pick 1 or 2 and then start listening to them at times. BBC English is something which you can listen to every day, because they talk about different topics and you'll get to learn a lot from them, and you'll gain a lot of knowledge also on different subjects, which is very much required while speaking in English. So that is a must. But from other channels, you can just pick 1 or 2 and just you can start listening to them or see what they can help you with. Okay, and it will make your English fluency journey much easier and much simpler. So guys, this is how I've come up with some of the YouTube channels which is definitely going to help you in many things. I have a long list of other YouTube channels also. I'm thinking of coming up with this podcast as well. Like, there are lots of conversational podcasts which is available online, on internet, on YouTube, but I just wanted to find the best for you. I won't suggest every single name. So I just wanted to see which one has, different topics and variation and common topics which they talk about. So I'm going to pick up those as well, and I'm going to bring it to you for sure in my next session. So you'll get to know what podcast also you can watch. And apart from this, of course, one more channel I would recommend is TED Talks or TEDx Talks. So these are the two platforms which you can watch. There's also for different topics and variations and speaking on different subjects. It has a lot of videos, guys. You can just pick up your choice, your topic, whatever you want to listen to, and you can just listen to these things. It will really help you in building up your vocabulary, pronunciation, and TED Talks will help you to understand the sentence structure. Also, it will help you how to talk on a particular topic, how they start, how they end, what they say in between, how they divide their topic. It is much easier for you to understand. And since it is a time limit, they have to speak in a limited time, so you'll get to know how we can speak on a certain topic in a limited time frame, and that is very important. Because when we are very raw, we don't know much, or we've just started to speak in English, we don't know how to structure our speech. So whatever we know, we want to put it across, and we keep on building up and speaking, which is not right. We all should know how we can speak, how we should structure our speech, what we should talk about. Okay, so TED Talks will help you in this. Okay, so guys, I think it was 6 YouTube channels which I mentioned right now, 6 to 7 YouTube channels I've mentioned it in this session, which will definitely help you in your speaking journey. You'll get to know the grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking on different topics, and lots more. So start exploring these channels and see which one is your favorite and whom you can connect with, and start listening to that channel. It is really going to help you a lot. So guys, that's the end for today's video. I'll be back in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep watching, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep exploring as I do. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.